Hey everyone, to all you cars. We've got another Mk2 Audi TTS Roadster for you. This is not the same one that we had a couple of weeks ago. It is a totally different car, although it is pretty much identical. It is a different one. This one is a 2009 TTS 2.0 Tfsi S-Tronic, finished in Meteor Grey with 55,000 miles. It's got 12 services, 2 owners. The Black Nappa leather, rides on the titanium grey double 7-spoke wheels. It's got a nice spec. It is in great condition, as you can see. The rear PDC, quad tip exhausts, spoiler, reg there for any checks that you guys may wish to carry out at home. Got the black roof, as you can see there, which is all in good condition. All nice and clean in the boot. Genuine Audi bulb set there, which is a nice touch, but all your toolkit is present and correct. Oh, it's locked itself. Give me a sec. Grab the key. The silk nappa leather with the white stitch. Flat bottom multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift. BOSE audio. Cruise control. 55,053 on the miles. And let's fire her up. These sound great. There you go, no warnings or anything. All perfect. It's got the Symphony stereo with Bluetooth phone and iPod connectivity in the glove box. Obviously you can change your stereo, and if you wanted to buy one online, we will fit it free of charge. We've done that for plenty of customers that have bought Mk2 TTs in the past. Climate control with working aircon and your heated seats. Mag ride suspension, spoiler, wind deflector, roof, cup holders, and your phone cradle. I'll just pop the roof down for you. You'll see it does work perfectly well. So there you go, that's your roof all done. And yeah, overall, a great example. Hard to find these, although we've had a couple now over the last month. It's a rarity to find these cars with this sort of mileage. Do give us a call on 01509 267 111 and we'll gladly book you in for a test drive. Finance is a potential possibility. Obviously it's a 2009 car, so it's got some years on it. But if you do require finance, we'll see what we can do. And that's really it. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.